Hello everyone, my name is Kate and this is my English Lessons channel. And today I'm going to tell you an English story for beginners. The story is called The Lost Kitten. Before I start the story, remember to subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's begin. Once upon a time in a small village, there was a little girl. Her name was Lily and she lived in a small house with her mother and father. Lily loved animals, and one day she found a lost kitten near her house. The kitten was very small. It had soft white fur and blue eyes. Lily took the kitten home and gave it some milk. She named the kitten Snowball because of its white fur. Every day after school, Lily played with Snowball. They played in the garden, they played in the yard, and they played in the house. One day, Lily's mother said, "I'm going to the market. Do you want anything?" "I want some cat food," said Lily. "I'm going to buy Snowball some food at the pet store." "Oh, don't forget to buy some fish," said Lily's father. She really likes fish. When Lily's mother came back from the market, Lily and her father went out to the pet store. When they came back home, Lily gave the fish to Snowball and Snowball ate it quickly. After that, Snowball started to feel sick. She threw up the fish, and she didn't want to eat or drink anything. The next morning, Snowball still felt bad, so Lily took her to the vet. The vet examined Snowball and said, "Your cat has eaten something bad. I'm going to give her a medicine." "Don't worry, she's going to be fine." After the vet gave Snowball the medicine, she felt much better. That same day, Snowball started to eat and drink again. A few days later, Snowball was back to normal. She played with Lily as if nothing had happened. One day, while Lily and Snowball were playing in the garden, they found a small lizard. "Look, Snowball, a lizard," said Lily. Usually Snowball liked to chase lizards, but this time she didn't want to chase it. "Why don't you chase it?" "Snowball." "I don't want to," Lily said. Snowball. "Let's play with the lizard, but you always like to chase lizards," said Lily. "I know, but now I want to be friends with the lizard." "I don't want to eat it," said Snowball. Lily couldn't believe what she heard. A cat wanting to be friends with a lizard. That wasn't normal, but maybe Snowball was right. Maybe cats and lizards can be friends. The end. Okay, now I'll ask you some questions about the story. Remember, write your answers in the comments below. Question no. 1. What did Lily name the kitten and why? Question no. 2. What did Snowball do after she ate the fish? Question no. 3. What did the vet do to help Snowball? And question no. 4. What did Snowball want to be friends with at the end of the story? Okay, now I'll give you some time to think. While you're thinking, I'll tell you a little phrase. This phrase is from the story. Don't worry, she's going to be fine. When someone says this to you, it means that you shouldn't worry because everything is going to be okay. Okay, now write your answers to the questions in the comments. Okay, here are the answers to the questions. No. 1. Lily named the kitten Snowball because of its white fur. Number 2, after Snowball ate the fish, she started to feel sick and threw up. No. 3, the vet gave Snowball medicine to help her. And no. 4, at the end of the story, Snowball wanted to be friends with the lizard. Okay, now I'm going to read your comments and I'll give you feedback. And remember, if you want to improve your English, you need to practice every day. You can start by practicing with me. Click on that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye.